And finally, on WION Fine Print, among the many pandals this Durga Puja, the Operation Sindoor theme pandal has been drawing crowds and curious eyes alike. WION's correspondent Nikita Singh brings us this story from New Delhi on the Operation Sindoor pandal that is catching everyone's attention. Thank you for watching.
As Durga Puja celebrations unfold throughout India, many pandals in various cities have decided to symbolize Operation Sindoor in their respective pandals. And we are here in one such pandal in the heart of New Delhi, where, as you can see, there is a huge missile and the pandal is engulfed in the Indian flag, and within the pandal you have Goddess Durga and the other deities inside. Let's ask the committee, what does this pandal signify?
कि सबसे बड़ी बात है कि ये जो पूरा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है एक महिला के द्वारा ही चला जाता है किदवई नगर की, तो इसमें जितने मेंबर हैं सब महिलाएं ही हैं और ऑपरेशन सिंदूर को लेकर के एक महिला होने के नाते विशेष मतलब फीलिंग थी और फौजी की बैकग्राउंड से भी हम लोग हैं यहाँ पे पूरे। तो ऑपरेशन सिंदूर इसलिए माता सबकी सिंदूर की रक्षा करती हैं, ऐसा हिंदू मैथोलॉजी में है। सब सुहागिन औरतें उनको माला और व्रत करती हैं अपने अच्छे लंबे सुहाग और स्वास्थ्य के लिए। देश पे एक संकट का समय था और ये पूजा भी उन्हीं को डेडिकेटेड है।
Any tribute that contributes to respecting our armed forces and the soldiers who gave their life for us, it's a very good thing. I really appreciate it. At the same time, I hope it's not taken too out of context politically. And so I definitely like the fact that they have such themes, but also I want them to represent.
Be used in the right light.
Exactly, and I'm very sure they're doing that.
So I feel, it should be there in a way which puts it into positive light and not, people who are from other religions to put them low. That should not be the case. But to just give a tribute to the people who lost their lives in Kashmir, that should be the purpose of putting it up, and not to put people below a table and put them down. That shouldn't be the cause.